Hello! Today I will show you how to change the brakes of your car. Sorry for my bad English, but we're from Bulgaria and we say very much R. For this purpose we will use our car, the Brutto Nissan 300 ZX, with a 3-liter twin-turbo engine that produces 330 horsepower. The first step you need to do is take the brakes and put the pads on them. Now, put the first brake and press until it fits. Take a tool and worry the cylinders so that the next pad can go in more easily. Now put the pad on so it fits. Take one bolt and put it through the hose in the pad. Put the guard on before putting the second bolt so that it is under the bolt. Now put the second bolt. Take this metal spring, or I don't know how to call it, and zip it to the brakes. Make sure everything is zipped good and not moving so much. Now rotate the whole disc and go to the other front side. And now do the exact same steps. On the rear, it is pretty much the same. Press the cylinders with a key, put the pads on, now put the first bolt, put the safety, and then put the second bolt. Take the metal thing and zip it to the brakes. And the last thing you need to do is put your tires up and tighten them. So, this was our tutorial how to change your brakes to stop like this. If you liked the video, subscribe, like and post a comment.